Okay, so we're gonna simulate 2 batteries. We're on DC now. You see I took all the stuff off. I got speed control. Well, I ain't even a speed controller. All it is just the knob on it. Anyway, so we're 24 volts. That's 2 car batteries, 5 amps, DC. This motor is rated like 130 volts, 18 amps, 6,700 RPMs. I'm thinking about a tank now. Getting another one of these dual ones in a real fast tank. But anyway, we're on a grade. You guys know how this yard is. This thing's a little bit downhill right there, but then it'll go uphill. I think I got it set to do a circle. Let's see. Are we on? Yeah, let's see what we got. Man, let's see here. So it's got some power. It'll be better probably with 3 batteries. Oh, hit the tree. Oh, unplug it. Anyway, so as you can see, it'll run. And just think that axle is just like grinding against metal. There ain't no bushings or nothing, bearings holding that. It's just bolted there. There's a Pixhawk going to the steering. We might be putting that on today. I might go to the junkyard later. I don't know. Thinking about it.